15.2, angles in inscribed quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral, again, means 4. Geometry. The essential question, how can you conclude, or what can you conclude about the angles of a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle? The answer is if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. So again, it's just a rough idea, a rough drawing. Okay, we have a circle, a quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral, again, quad means 4. And inscribed means inscribed means that all your points, all right, that create this quadrilateral are inscribed. They're on the outer edge of your circle, okay? And they're just saying that basically, okay, this angle plus this angle, the two opposite angles, they both add up to 180. Okay? And it goes for the same, the other two. This angle plus this angle, okay, add up to 180. Okay. Make sure you understand those symbols. They aren't representing congruency, so just take a note of that. Okay, they're not congruent, not all the time, but they do add up to 180. Okay, so first things first, inscribed quadrilateral theorem. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. So that's the theorem, that's the idea. So again, supplementary angles are two angles with a sum of 180, all right, 180 degrees. Therefore, angle A plus angle C equals 180, and angle B and angle D also equal 180. So I'll tell you what, as a question on your end, if angle A is 70 degrees, what do you know about the angle for angle C? So angle C, what would angle C's measurement be? Okay, so find me angle C and show me. All right, example 1, find the angle measures of an inscribed quadrilateral. So here we are. They give us angle P, and they give us the opposite, which is angle R. And we know that angle P plus angle R have to equal 180, right? Yeah. So let's add them up. We got angle P, which is 5y plus 3 plus 15y plus 17. And again, that all has to add up to what supplementary angles add up to, which is 180. Okay, combine like terms. We've got our 5y and our 15y. We can combine those guys into 20y. Why? Because I said so. No, I'm kidding. We have plus 3 and plus 17. That's plus 20. And again, those are all equaling 180. Let's go ahead and use the subtraction property. Get rid of that plus 20. Just remember what you do to one side, right? Do to the other. And then you're going to have 20y equals 160. Let's go ahead and divide. Use the division property. So y equals 8. Now am I done? Do I box that and walk away? No. Plug it back in. So if I plug it in for P, 5y, again y is 8, plus 3, 5 times 8, 40, and plus 3, that's 43. All right, so that's 43 degrees. Now, if P is 43 degrees, what's 180 minus 43? It should be 137 degrees. So notice how I didn't substitute it in. I could have, okay? Or you just know that those two angles, P and R, if you add them together, they add up to 180, right? So if you found one of them, just 180 minus 43, okay? And you get whatever angle R is. All right, so let's go ahead and substitute in to find Q, okay? So y squared, so 8 squared plus 53. That's 64 plus 53, which gets you angle Q, which is going to give you 117 degrees. Now, if that's 117 degrees, take 180, subtract 117, and you will find what the angle measurement is for angle S, which will be 63 degrees. And again, that's going off the same idea that two opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral add up to 180. They are supplementary angles, okay? So I'll tell you what, go ahead and solve this one. See if you can do it. Again, I'll give you some heads up. All right, angle J. All right, his opposite is going to be angle L. All right, so what do you know about those two angles? They have to add up to what? So set them equal to, so don't set them equal to each other, I'm sorry. Add them together, set them equal to 180. Okay, solve for X. Let me know if you get the answer. And yeah, let me see. So I'll tell you what, I'll go ahead and do this one for you. We'll do example, you'll do example 3. So again, angle J has to add up to angle L. All right, and then they add up to 180. Okay, that's the theorem. Okay, so angle J is going to be 39 plus 7x plus angle L, which is 6x minus 15. And again, they all add up to 180. Combine like terms, we have 39 with the minus 15 and 7x with 6x. So you have 13x plus 24 equals 180. Use the subtraction property for the 24. And you're going to have 13x equals 156. If you divide by 13, you should get x equals 12. Now do not box that. That is not your answer, but you will plug it back in for your x's to start finding your angles. Okay? So I'll tell you what, go ahead and do that for me. Go ahead and hit practice plugging them in. And then just for your exit slip, just give me whatever your angles are. So I already gave you your variable. Okay? Now I'm just asking you to find me, plug it in. All right? Give me all the degrees there. So there's 4 of them. Example 3, try that on your own. Again, opposite angles have to add up to 180. So just like example 1 and example 2. Go ahead and find me all the angle measurements of this inscribed quadrilateral. There's your homework, page 799 through 801, numbers 1 through 13. Let me know if you have any questions or trouble. All right, good luck.